In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record audio in Google Slides. This process involves a few straightforward steps, and I'm here to guide you through them seamlessly. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to enhance your presentations with custom audio, making them more engaging and personal. To begin, let's open your web browser and navigate to Google Slides. You can simply search for Google Slides in your preferred search engine, or if you have the URL handy, you can head there directly. Once you've arrived at Google Slides, choose the presentation you want to work on, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Google Slides provides a robust platform, but it doesn't natively support direct audio recordings, and that's where extensions come into play. Next, you'll need a way to record the audio. A quick search for Record Audio Extension in your search engine will bring up several options. The Chrome Web Store is a good place to look for these extensions. When you search for audio recording extensions, you'll most likely come across Chrome Audio Capture. This is a popular choice as it is user-friendly and integrates well with Chrome, making it an excellent tool for our purpose. After you've located Chrome Audio Capture in the search results, click on the link to visit its page on the Chrome Web Store. Here you'll see a blue Add to Chrome button. Clicking this button will prompt a confirmation message. Review the permissions it requires, and if you're comfortable with them, proceed by clicking Add Extension. Keep in mind that this extension will capture any audio played in your Chrome browser, so it's quite versatile. Adding it is straightforward and should only take a few moments. Once added, you'll notice its icon appearing at the top right corner of your browser window, ready for use. With the extension installed, return to Google Slides. Here, you can prepare the specific slide or section you want to add audio to. Don't forget to ensure your microphone is connected and functioning properly if you plan to record directly with it, or prepare the audio file you wish to insert. To begin recording, click the extensions icon. A small overlay will appear, guiding you to start your capture. The extension may offer options like recording the whole tab or just a portion. Choose what suits your needs best. After recording, stop the capture and save your audio file. You'll want to upload this file to your Google Drive, as Google Slides requires audio files to be stored there for insertion. Finally, to insert the audio into your presentation, select Insert from the Google Slides toolbar. Choose Audio, and then find your recorded file in Google Drive. With these steps completed, your presentation will now have custom audio, adding a dynamic layer to your message.